Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Introduct, my name is Ima Halima Tunisa. Here I will explain about the United States police. The police here involve several aspects, such as police during the COVID-19 pandemic and police regarding the country itself. Have a good time watching. United States Police. Background 1. Based on genomic analysis found that there are three main variants of the SARS new coronavirus in the world, namely types A, B, and C. 2. COVID type A is mostly found in COVID-19 patients in several countries such as the United States, and citizens of the United States WHO have lived in Wuhan. 3. New coronavirus variant is very close to the virus found in the both bats and pangolins. Two animals are suspected of being the coronavirus host and have been debated the length of the outbreak or the route of the spread of COVID-19 by research. Next, United States State Police. 1. Prefers fund. 2. Prefers quarantine location. 3. Prefers medical equipment. 4. Establishes new rules. 5. Lockdown in several cities, seek data disclosure. And 7. Prefers corona vaccine. 1. Prepare funds for American President Donald Trump finally suffers the policy of $2 trillion aid funds for handling the coronavirus in America, which 1. Direct cash assistance. 2. Education. 3. Unemployed. 4. Business loan fund. 5. Assistance for food supplies. 6. Aid funds for hospitals. 7. Evacuating Americans. And 8. Aid for immigrant diplomats and volunteers. 2. Prepare a quarantine location. The Minister of Defense fulfills a request for assistance from the Ministry of Health and Humanitarian Services, or HSS, in the form of a quarantine place as follows. I. Shelter for 2,100 people for quarantine when they come from abroad. B. The Department of Defense provides facilities in the form of private room with a capacity of 210 people. C. Military installation selected as quarantine cities, such as 2 in California, 1 in Colorado, and the 3rd in Texas. Next, 3. Prepare medical equipment. 1. Grant. 2. Emergency hospital. 3. Medical station. 4. Mass antibody test. 5. Mass and update. 4. Define new rules. 1. Public place closed. 2. Social distancing. 3. Use of mask. 4. Temporarily closed school. 5. Prohibits large events involving more than 250 people. 5. Lockdown in multiple cities. 1. California City first. 2. New York City. 6. Data disclosure in the United States. There is no data being covered up by the local government. Although the growth of positive cases of corona in America seems very high, the case fatality rate or death is only 2 with the disclosure of information from the government can affect the low death rate in the United States because Dutch and number of Australians in the United States have become aggressive in suppressing the spread of the coronavirus. 7. Prepare the corona vaccine. The vaccine with the code Mr. A1273 was developed by the United States National Institute of Health in collaboration with a biotechnology company from his country according to the instructor of the United States National Institute of Health. The vaccine this will take 12 to 18 months until it can be used in general or mass, especially if the initial test runs well. Next, United States citizen response. 1. California citizen response. 2. New York's response. 3. Donald Trump response to downplaying COVID-19. Point 1. The response of Californians. Citizens of the United States seem to be taking it easy in the face of the coronavirus attack. Even though the COVID-19 sufferers in the United States have already crossed the 1 million mark, the irresponsible attitude of the United States citizens is shown by the crowd of beach hunting in California at the weekend. Then they are enjoying the waves by flying, surfing, and sunbathing on the beach, sent regardless of the effort of social distancing. 2. Response of the New York Governor Andrew Cuomo criticizes the indifferent attitude of these citizens toward the coronavirus outbreak so that the case increased drastically in the last 2 weeks, calling the behalf of his citizens were ignored because they left the house while still crowding shopping centers, entertainment venues, and public speech as an act of selfishness and endanger. 3. Donald Trump responds to downplaying COVID-19. 1. On February 28, for example, Trump said that this new type of coronavirus will disappear like a miracle. 2. Had speculated that hot weather will kill this virus by stopping its spread. 3. In a report titled Trump Mismanagement Helped Fuel the Coronavirus Crisis, 13 tough and former stone tabs at the White House concluded that much of the United States for handling of COVID-19 statement from Trump's one concerned about the economic impact of the virus. United States Police. 1. Stay home, and 2. Residents are injecting with disinfectant. 1. Stay at home. The impact of the stay-at-home policy is as follows. In some areas such as Michigan, Minnesota, North Carolina, and have staged demonstrations by voicing their opposition to the stay-at-home order. 2. Injecting this vaccination into citizens, the New York City Center for Poison Control has reported handling more than 13 poisoning cases in since Trump made the controversial statement. Suggestion. Gates said that all Americans, whether living in large or small cities, are at risk of transmitting the virus to the other outside of the area where they live, so he said stopping lockdown will allow people to move around to transmit the virus and make recovery slower. Gates said a successful lockdown must be gradual, following the recommendation of many economic health experts and World Health Organization, or so-called WHO. In addition, it requires critical thinking to implement safety measures when lockdown is lifted and ensure diagnostic, testing, and contact tracing to understand the effect of relaxation of restriction on the spread of coronavirus. Okay, enough of the presentation of the material that I have conveyed. I apologize if there are errors in the delivery of words. And thank you for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.